This video is in response to a question asked by Liberty Katiyo. Liberty requested me to explain CHIBADURA'S guitar technique, in particular his use of what we call eighths or octaves. These are very rarely used in Sungura music, to the extent that I only know two artists that use them a lot, especially on lead guitar, and which is CHIBADURA and some of Simon Chimpetu's guitarists. CHIBADURA had his own way of playing octaves. For you that listen to jazz music, octaves are those intervals that are used a lot by George Benson. The first person to use them was Wes Montgomery, and he's the one who inspired George Benson to play the guitar. CHIBADURA was a serious virtuoso Sungura guitarist, and his melody lines were very complicated, and it was mainly also because of his use of these eighths and fourths and other intervals. So to demonstrate CHIBADURA's style, I'm going to do one piece. What I did is I took pieces of CHIBADURA'S melodies from different songs and created one composite performance in order to escape algorithms from social media platforms that usually take down my videos if I use somebody's music. So here we go.
Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.